Welcome to Nambardar TV. I am your host, Naveed Ahmed. Here are today's top headlines you don't want to miss. First up, the Pakistan Stock Exchange has hit a historic milestone, crossing 78,000 points for the very first time. This is a monumental achievement and has investors buzzing with excitement. On the currency front, the US dollar's value has soared to Rs 278.60 in the interbank market. This rapid increase is causing quite a stir in the financial sector. In more uplifting news, the Army and Frontier Corps have been spreading joy by distributing sweets, providing free rations, and organizing sports competitions. A great way to boost community spirit. Samar Khan has made history as the first Pakistani woman to summit Europe's highest peak. Talk about breaking barriers and inspiring others. In a dramatic turn of events, Nikhil Gupta faces charges following his extradition, linked to international conspiracy claims. This story is developing, so stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, restrictions on employment, education, and movement are leaving women increasingly vulnerable. It's a critical issue that needs attention and action. In North Waziristan, peace and festivity mark the holiday season. It's heartwarming to see communities coming together in celebration. Leaders from both countries are emphasizing cooperation under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor and the One Belt One Road initiative. These partnerships could shape the future of international trade and development. And for your weekend plans, the Meteorological Department has forecast a partly cloudy sky with a chance of rain, thunderstorm, or dust storm on Friday and Saturday. So, keep your umbrellas handy. That's all for today's headlines. Thanks for watching Nambardar TV. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay informed, stay engaged. Thanks for watching.